Decoding Collective Nouns, the grammar behind the group. Hello, English learners. Today, we are diving into the world of collective nouns and understanding their role in subject-verb agreement. It's a topic that often pops up in TOEFL and IELTS exams, so mastering this will certainly give you an edge. A collective noun is a noun that refers to a group of people, animals, or things as a singular entity. Examples include team, family, group, audience, and class. Though they refer to multiple individuals, they are considered a single unit in the context of grammar. Here's where the grammar magic happens. 1. General rule. Collective nouns usually take a singular verb when the group is thought of as a single unit. 2. Example. The team is playing well today. 3. But when the emphasis is on the individual members of the group, a plural verb might be appropriate. 4. Example. The team are wearing different jerseys today. Here, we're focusing on each member's attire. To ace your TOEFL and IELTS exams, it's essential to be familiar with these commonly tested collective nouns. Audience. The audience is excited. Crew. The crew are preparing their stations. Bunch. A bunch of grapes is on the table. Government. The government has made its decision. Class. The class are working on their individual projects. Remember, the verb you choose should align with whether you're viewing the collective noun as a single unit or as individual members. 1. Context matters. Always pay attention to the context. It will help determine if the collective noun should be paired with a singular or plural verb. 2. Consistency. If you start by treating the collective noun as singular, continue that way throughout your statement. 3. Example. The committee has decided that its members will meet next week. 4. Practice. The more you practice sentences with collective nouns, the more intuitive this will become. Thank you for joining us on this journey through collective nouns. Remember, understanding subject-verb agreement with these nouns is a small yet impactful step in mastering English grammar for your TOEFL and IELTS exams. Keep practicing, and you'll surely get the hang of it.